Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this fun On the Farm card. Here's my On the Farm seam card using the On the Farm bundle, which you can find in the mini catalog. And when you purchase the On the Farm bundle, you can get the Day at the Farm Designer Series paper for free. But today I just wanted to start off with a simple card with all my own stamped images. So I've already got the cow stamped out and colored, and the trees, the sheep, the chicken, and the barn. I will have all the colors that I used in the comments. And I've also used the dies to create this template right here. So I love these little line dies that you can use. So I just used that to cut out the paper. I had to trim a little bit off myself, but for the most part, it got all of the paper. And then I used one side to create the sky and one side to create the grass. So obviously this side is for my sky, and I'm gonna start with the sky first. I used Balmy Blue ink. So we're gonna do the Balmy Blue ink. All right, so I'm just gonna use the blending brushes to create my sky here. And I like to do circles because I think it looks nice, but you can go back and forth this way or that way. So that's my sky. And then I'm just gonna add a couple clouds to finish off the sky. Now I'm going to do the grass. So I'm gonna use the other half of the template and see how it lines up, because we use the same cuts. And we'll do garden green ink for this one. Now I've got my background ready. I'm just gonna add a little bit of grass. Okay. Now I can adhere this to my garden green card base. And I'm just going to add dimensionals to all my little elements here. All right, and there is my On the Farm seam card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle. You will also get the Day at the Farm Designer Series paper for free when you purchase the bundle as your celebration item if you choose. So just use the current host code and place a $50 order or purchase the bundle, and I'll send you a card kit with supplies for 6 cards to each of these 3 designs. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Hey there, real quick, just wanted to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thank you guys so much, and here's the rest of the video.